Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds: how to make money online. The internet is a vast landscape of opportunities, and one of the most effective ways to build a sustainable income is by creating your own website. But with so many options out there, where do you even begin? We've done the research and compiled a list of 5 proven website types that can help you generate a steady revenue stream. Throughout this video, we'll break down each website type, explaining what it is, how it works, and the potential for profitability. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your journey into the world of online business, this guide will provide you with the insights and inspiration you need to get started. Before we jump into the details, we have a small request. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Lastly, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future uploads. Now, without further ado, let's get started and explore the 5 types of websites you can build to make money online. Number 5. Newsletter websites. This type of website is all about building a highly engaged audience around a specific niche or topic. The primary goal is to grow a large email list of subscribers who are genuinely interested in the content you're providing. You could focus on anything from personal finance and tech to gardening or cooking. The key is to consistently deliver valuable, high-quality content directly to their inbox, building trust and authority over time. Once you have a substantial and dedicated subscriber base, you can begin to monetize. The most effective way to monetize a newsletter is through sponsorships. Brands and businesses are always looking for ways to reach a targeted audience, and a niche newsletter with a large, engaged list is a goldmine. You can sell ad space in your newsletter, either as a short mention, a dedicated ad block, or even a full-blown sponsored issue. The pricing for these sponsorships is typically based on the size of your list and the engagement metrics, such as your open and click-through rates. The more engaged your audience, the more you can charge. This model is a fantastic way to earn passive income without needing to create and sell your own products. You're essentially becoming a media company for a specific community. The ongoing revenue from sponsorships allows you to focus on what you do best: creating great content and nurturing your audience. It's a scalable business model, as your income grows directly with your subscriber count. When it comes to building and managing a newsletter website, we highly recommend using a comprehensive platform like Kartra. Kartra is an all-in-one solution that includes everything you need, from a powerful email marketing system to a page builder for creating opt-in forms and landing pages. It's designed to streamline the process of building, segmenting, and monetizing your email list, with robust automation and analytics tools. If you're serious about creating a profitable newsletter business, check out Kartra using the link in the description below. Number 4. Membership websites. This model is a powerful way to generate recurring, predictable revenue by creating a niche community and charging a monthly or annual fee for access. Unlike a newsletter, a membership website focuses on providing exclusive content, tools, and a space for members to connect with each other. This could take the form of an online course library, a private forum, exclusive webinars, or a collection of premium resources that are only available to paying members. The key to success here is building a community so valuable that people are willing to pay for continued access. The value proposition of a membership site is rooted in exclusivity and ongoing engagement. Your members aren't just buying a product, they're investing in a community and a continuous stream of value. This can include personalized coaching, live Q&A sessions, networking opportunities, or a behind-the-scenes look at your business. This model fosters a strong sense of belonging and loyalty, which leads to a low churn rate and a high lifetime value for each member. The recurring revenue from membership fees provides an incredible foundation of financial stability, allowing you to invest more time and resources into creating even better content and experiences for your community. It's a scalable business model that can grow with you. As your membership base expands, so does your income, all while you continue to build authority and a powerful brand in your chosen niche. To build and manage a successful membership website, you need a robust platform that can handle everything from content delivery to billing and member management. We highly recommend Kartra for this as well, as it offers a comprehensive suite of tools specifically designed for creating and scaling membership sites. It allows you to create different membership tiers, restrict content access, and manage all your payments and member data seamlessly, all in one place. Number 3. Free tool websites. This is a very popular and effective monetization strategy that involves building a website that offers a specific, useful tool for free. The tool is often a simple calculator, a file converter, a data analyzer, or a design generator. The purpose of the tool is to solve a very specific problem for a very specific audience. By providing immense value up front without any cost, you attract a large volume of traffic. The key is to make the tool so good that people bookmark your site and share it with others. The monetization for these sites typically comes from methods that don't hinder the user's experience with the free tool itself. This often includes a combination of display advertising, where you show relevant ads around the tool, and affiliate marketing, where you recommend related products or services. For example, a website with a free tax calculator could feature ads from accounting software companies or an affiliate link to a tax preparation service. Another powerful monetization strategy for free tool websites is the freemium model. You offer a basic version of the tool for free, which is what attracts the initial traffic. Then you offer a more advanced version with additional features, no ads, or higher usage limits as a paid upgrade. This allows you to generate revenue from your most loyal and dedicated users, while still providing a valuable service to the masses. The key is to find the right balance, give away enough value to hook users, but save the truly premium features for your paid plan. When it comes to building a free tool website, a modern, cloud-based development environment can make a huge difference. For this, we recommend Firebase Studio. It's a powerful, all-in-one platform from Google that lets you prototype, build, and run full-stack applications with integrated AI assistance from Gemini. It accelerates the development lifecycle by generating code from natural language prompts and provides a streamlined environment for building and deploying your tool. Check out Firebase Studio using the link in the description. Number 2. E-commerce websites. This is arguably the most direct way to make money online, by selling physical products through your very own online store. An e-commerce website gives you complete control over your brand, your products, and your customer relationships. The potential for rapid growth is immense, as you can sell anything from handmade crafts to drop-shipped goods, apparel, electronics, and more. This model allows you to tap into global markets and scale your business without the limitations of a physical storefront. While organic traffic from search engines and social media is great, for an e-commerce business to truly thrive and grow at a rapid pace, it's essential to invest in paid marketing. Relying solely on free traffic methods can be a slow and unpredictable path. Paid advertising on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram allows you to precisely target potential customers who are most likely to buy your products. This gives you a predictable way to drive sales, test new products, and scale your business quickly by investing more money as you see a positive return on your ad spend. The success of an e-commerce website hinges on a seamless user experience, from the moment a customer lands on your site to the final checkout. You need a platform that is secure, fast, and easy to manage, with a professional look and feel. It also needs robust features for product management, inventory tracking, and payment processing, as well as tools to help you with marketing and customer communication. For building a professional and scalable e-commerce website, we highly recommend using Shopify. It's a leading platform that provides everything you need to start, run, and grow your online store without any of the technical hassle. From a user-friendly interface for designing your site to integrated payment gateways, shipping solutions, and a massive app store for adding functionality, Shopify makes the entire process incredibly straightforward. You can find a link to Shopify in the description below to get started on your e-commerce journey. Number 1. SaaS websites. SaaS, or software as a service, is a business model where you create a web-based software tool that solves a specific pain point for your target audience and charge a recurring subscription fee to use it. This is considered one of the most lucrative and scalable types of websites because it provides a steady, recurring revenue stream. The key is to identify a problem that a specific group of people or businesses face on a regular basis and then build a tool that makes their lives easier, more efficient, or more productive. For SaaS websites to succeed, it's crucial to move beyond relying on free traffic methods alone. While content marketing and SEO are important for building authority, paid marketing is essential for reaching your ideal customers and accelerating growth. By running targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or social media, you can quickly get your solution in front of people who are actively looking for a tool like yours. This allows you to rapidly acquire a user base and generate the revenue needed to continue developing and improving your software. Another powerful strategy for rapid growth is offering affiliate partnerships. This is where you allow other people, like influencers, bloggers, and industry experts, to promote your software in exchange for a commission on every new customer they refer. This creates a network of motivated salespeople who are incentivizing to drive leads to your business. It's a win-win model that leverages the trust and audience of others to grow your own business. For managing your affiliate program, we recommend using platforms like Rewardful or PartnerStack. They are excellent tools for automating the entire process, from tracking referrals and calculating commissions to making payouts. Rewardful is perfect for getting started quickly with a simple integration, while PartnerStack is a robust platform for scaling a full-fledged partnership ecosystem. If you're serious about building a full-stack SaaS tool, you can accelerate your development with a powerful AI-assisted platform. For this, we highly recommend Firebase Studio from Google. which allows you to prototype, build, and run applications using natural language and integrated AI assistants. You can find links to Rewardful and PartnerStack in the description to get started. And that's a wrap of the 5 types of websites you can build to make money online. We've covered everything from building a targeted audience with newsletter websites to the recurring revenue of membership sites, the high traffic potential of free tool websites, the rapid growth of e-commerce, and the lucrative stability of SaaS. The key takeaway is to choose a model that aligns with your skills and interests, and then commit to building a high-value product or service. All the tools and platforms we've mentioned, Kartra, Firebase Studio, Shopify, Rewardful, and PartnerStack, have links in the description below. They are all excellent resources that can help you turn your website idea into a profitable reality. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button. Let us know which website type you're most excited about in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.